Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm going to teach you how to learn IPDRG coding by using these 5 steps. Step number 1, you have to learn first clinical indicator for common inpatient condition. For example, pneumonia, sepsis, heart failure, respiratory failure, aka hyponatremia, MI, etc. So you have to understand that what are the signs and symptom, lab finding and treatment. So it will help you to understand to assign appropriate PDX principal diagnosis as well as secondary diagnosis accurately. That is step number 1. Step number 2, you have to understand the ICD-10 general coding guideline as well as PCS coding guideline. That is step number 2. So in that we have a general chapter specific guideline, for example, neoplasm, and we have sepsis guideline, MI guideline, COVID guideline, fracture. So lots of guideline in the ICD. So that is the second thing, you have to understand all the guidelines in ICD-10 as well as PCS. PCS we have lots of guideline related to procedure. For example, we have 31 root operations. Each the root operation have some definition and body part value, approach, new technology procedure, spinal fusion coding, CAPG, fracture reduction, impella placement, PTCA, aortic wall replacement. Okay, so on so. So you have to understand the PCS coding completely. That is step number 2. Step number 3, UHDDS guideline, coding clinic reference and query process. So we have ICD-10 section 2 UHDDS guideline, uniform hospital discharge data set, that will help you to identify the PDX as well as secondary diagnosis. So you have to understand and deep knowledge about UHDDS guideline and coding clinic. Also you have to understand the coding query process. So inpatient coding, we are directly writing the queries to the physician. So we have some process related to coding query. So that one we have to understand. That is step number 3. Step number 4, you have to analyze the DRG. For example, patient is admitting to the hospital for sepsis. So sepsis is having some DRG value, that is 872. If patient is admitting for CHF, we have DRG value 293. If patient is admitting for knee replacement surgery, we have DRG is 522. So based on occasion and treatment, so we have lots of DRG from 001 to 999. So we have to understand how the DRG's grouper is working, how the CCMCC impact the DRG. So we can work to that by using 3M software or CAC. So most of the client are using 3M software. So you can use the 3M software and understand the DRG grouper, how it's working. That is step number 4. And also you have to compare MSDRG as well as APR-DRG. So MSDRG means Medicare Severity DRG, diagnosis related group. APR means all patient refined DRG. So the classification you have to understand, that is step number 4. Step number 5 is very important. You have to practice inpatient charts and review the operative reports and find the exact DRG. Okay, so that is step number 5. So you have to practice the charts. Mostly you have to practice more than 100 charts. That will help you to identify the PDX, and you have to like easily you can understand the inpatient guideline and how it's working. So these 5 steps definitely will help you to understand the inpatient DRG coding. I hope this video definitely help you to understand IPDRG coding. So if you are not subscribing my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.
Take care. Bye. See you.